Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make coconut rice and beans. Let's get to the recipe. So I'm starting by adding oil. I'm using vegetable oil to my hot chaudière. Be sure your heat is on high. I am adding 3 tablespoons of Epis. If you don't have Epis, I do have the recipe on my YouTube already. I will link the video in the description box below. Be sure to check it out and make your own. It's the best. So I'm gonna let my Epis get a little bit toasty for about 3 minutes, and I'm also frying my clove. It's something someone told me, this older guy that I at work told me to try it like that. He used to be a chef, so yeah, and it's awesome. Try to fry your clove, and said it intensifies the flavor of the dish. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my pinto beans. I am using dried pinto beans that I cooked, but if you don't have much time in your hands, listen, if time is not in your favor, feel free to use canned beans. It's all about preferences. So yeah, this is 1.5 cup of pinto beans. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my dry seasonings. I will I will post the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. And also make sure to adjust your seasoning. I am using Pikliz. As you know, I love using Pikliz, but feel free to skip it if you don't like it. There's a lot of health benefits to Pikliz. So this is the leftover waters from the cooked beans. You don't have to add it. It really wasn't like, it was like about, I don't know, 1/4 cup. It wasn't a lot, as you can see. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and cover the beans and let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes, just a little bit, so you know, it could be tastier. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk, and I'm using coconut milk and creamed coconut, and I found creamed coconut to be more flavorful than coconut milk. So I use 1 cup of coconut milk and 5 ounces of creamed coconut. But feel free to use just the creamed coconut or just the coconut milk. I dropped the box, sorry, I had to pick it up to show you. This is what I'm using. This is the brand that I always use. I've never really seen other brands, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add it to that. And then we're gonna add our water. So after you add the water, give it a quick stir or not, and then cover it up and let it come to a boil. So this is the type of basmati rice that I'm using. It's not the best, honestly, but it's what I had. I didn't want to buy other ones, but yeah, it's okay. It's all right. You'll see at the end of the video. I've used way better basmati rice, and if you want, check out my Amazon storefront for like good basmati rice. I just didn't want to buy a big bag, so I bought that. Anyways, be sure to rinse your rice. Once your water is boiled, rinse your rice and then go ahead and put it in the water. But yeah, it's not my favorite, honestly. I don't think I'll ever use it again. I don't like it. This is my second time using it, and last time I thought I made a mistake in my dish, and I think it's just the rice, it's not me. So I forgot to add my black pepper. So be sure to add the black pepper when you're adding all the other dry seasonings. So after you add your rice to the water, go ahead and give it a stir. And then we're gonna cover it up and let the liquid reduce. So I added some dry shrimps, but feel free to skip it. It's optional. It's not easy to find. You'll find it in like Asian markets and any markets that diverse, like Asian markets, African markets, Caribbean markets, but that's the only place you'll find it. So that's why I said it's optional. If you're not somewhere that's like really diverse, you won't find it. So anyway, once your water is reduced like this, we're gonna go ahead and give it a stir again, and then we're gonna set the heat on low, like low heat, and let it steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is the final product, you guys. As you can see, it's not my favorite rice to use, honestly. Not my favorite basmati rice. I don't think I'll ever use it again. The rice did taste amazing. Just use a different basmati rice or use white jasmine rice. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more. It's tasty though. It's really tasty. Yeah, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.